Once upon a time, in a rustic woodcutter's village, lived a gentle boy who had a very unusual problem. He simply did not know how to be afraid.
And then the floor made a sound, and the monster walked closer and closer to the bed.
Please don't say it had big claws. I hate claws.
It had claws as long as big swords. That is a bad idea for a monster. How can it hold a cup with claws? Roar! And it grabbed him in the dark. Wow, look at those goosebumps. That is so cool.
Is it finished? Is the story over?
How are you shaking your body like that? It is amazing.
Stop it! I am not doing it because I want to, Anders. I'm really scared.
Okay, let me try. Tell me the scary part again. I am shaking. I am shaking.
Anders, what are you doing?
Whoa. No. I am still warm and comfortable. I just don't understand. I can build a table with my eyes closed, but my body will not shake. How do you shake like that? Is there a secret button somewhere?
Oh, Anders, my sweet, strange boy. There is no button. You cannot make yourself feel scared, son. You need to learn a real job. You cannot make money just by being scared.
Okay, Papa, a job, but maybe a real ghost can teach me to shake?
Papa was worried about Anders. He told the village church caretaker, Mr. Higgins, that Anders did not know how to be scared. Mr. Higgins wanted to help. He thinks he could easily scare Anders and cure him. He asked Papa to send Anders to the clock tower at midnight.
Hello? Are there any scary ghosts here? I am the ghost of the tower. Leave now! Oh, hello. You are very white. Woo! I am very angry. Woo! Your voice is very scratchy. Do you need some water? No, I do not want water. Wait, are you a real ghost? This is perfect.
Yes, I am very scary. Be afraid of me.
Can you teach me how to shake? I really want to feel scared. I am not a teacher!
Oh, no, 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 no! Ah!
Hello? Mr. Ghost? Are you okay down there? You foolish boy! I will tell your father! It is just Mr. Higgins. He is not a ghost. I'm still warm. No shaking at all. I need to find a scarier place. A really, really scary place.
The church ghost did not scare Anders, so Anders decided to travel the world to find fear. He walked for a long time. He was looking for something really scary. Soon, he found a very dark forest with a strange, haunted tree.
Wow, that is a very big, scary tree. Maybe I can learn to shake here. Hello? Who is making that sound?
It is so cold. So very cold. I hate the wind. I want to go inside.
Real ghosts! And you are shaking! This is perfect! Please, come down! Scare me! Teach me how to shake like that!
Scare you? Achoo! No! We are freezing!
You are not trying to scare me? You are just cold?
Yes, we are dead, but we still feel the cold wind.
Oh, poor ghosts. Do not cry. I can help you. Help us? What are you doing, big boy? Come here. The fire is very warm. It will stop the shaking. Warmth! Thank you!
Wow! It is so warm! I love it!
I am not shaking anymore. Thank you, friend. You are so welcome. Great. Now you are warm. Can you scare me now? Scare you? No. We are too tired. But I built the fire for you. You must be a little scary.
But the ghosts did not want to scare him, so Anders slept.
Tree ghosts are too nice. I must find a worse place.
After the haunted tree, Anders was still looking for fear. Some villagers told him about a very haunted castle. The castle was in a kingdom far away. So, Anders walked for many days to find it. He hoped this new castle would finally teach him how to be scared.
The king and Princess Eliza had a big problem. Their castle was full of ghosts. At night, they had to leave and sleep in another house. It was too scary. They only came back in the morning to clean up the mess. They needed a brave hero.
Stop. You cannot go inside. The castle is closed.
But I want to go in. People say it is very scary in there.
Yes, it is haunted. Monsters will eat you. Go home, big boy.
No, thank you. I need to learn how to shake. I want to feel scared.
You carry all that wood and metal? Are you a builder?
Yes, I make tables and chairs. I am very good at it.
Okay. You can go inside, but do not say I didn't warn you.
Thank you, Princess. Have a good night. Wow, it is very dirty in here. What is he doing? Why is he not crying?
Rah, rah! I am the king of the dead!
Hello? You have no skin. Are you cold? Your nails are very long and dirty. That is dangerous. Do not worry, little cat. I will fix this. There. Now your nails are nice and smooth.
Hey! Why are you helping the monsters? Stop playing! Be afraid of me!
Oh! That stone rolls very well! Do you guys want to play a fun game?
What is this? Is it a trap?
No, it is a game. It is called bowling. You throw the stone. You try to hit the wooden pins.
Hit the wood? I can do that. I am very strong. Wow! I hit all of them! I am the best!
My turn! My turn!
My turn! My turn!
My turn! My turn!
My turn! My turn! My turn! My turn!
Good job, Mr. Skeleton. You are very good at this. My arms are still warm. They love bowling, but I am still not shaking. This castle is not scary at all. What is wrong with me?
Oh dear, the poor boy is probably eaten by monsters.
The castle is so clean.
The ghosts are gone! The curse has been broken!
Good morning!
Do you want some breakfast?
Hooray! The castle is safe! You saved us all! For your reward, you will marry Princess Eliza.
Father.
Sorry, too soon.
Hooray for Anders!
Anders? What is wrong? You saved my home.
I played bowling, I cleaned the monster's nails, but I still did not learn how to shake. I will never feel fear. I am broken.
Broken? You cannot feel fear in your mind. I think I know how to help Anders. Here is your fear, Anders.
Oh, so cold! It wiggles! Look, I am shaking! My body is shaking! I did it! I am finally scared! Thank you, Princess!
You are welcome, Anders. You are a very special man.
Yeah!
Okay, put me down. You are wet!
Anders saved the castle and finally found his shiver. And they all lived happily ever after.